How many fish do we have in that bucket?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.
And it's a fish party?
Yeah. I got 10 fish in there.
Wow. Big fish party, isn't it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Are you going to eat them?
Yes.
Gross. They're babies.
They're too small.
We have to let them go. They need to go back out and find their mama.
Yeah, but what about the big ones?
I don't think there really are any big ones. There's just bigger than the smallest. Hi, Andy Kebabs. Beautiful day on the lake.